Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri rang ba ka Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, hak handai trik naitung aja pun riau, ulong. Baka Jingïakynad Pynbeit put baka Meghalaya, kanya bet Khlem kanu ka Jingïakynad, ni ka Jingïakynad apreng ki artali ki celah. Hak Jingïakynad bigilap thai kubor Sharma ulong, baka sarkar Meghalaya baka sarkar Assam. Ki Jingïakynad na kapur sa kapur, panweng ya ka Jingïakynad ki bajia kapur. Sharma ulapan pawe kani. Hadir bak sarkar Meghalaya dangsian kelathawi ki regional committee pan pentelun syahmat ya ka Jingïakynad Pynbeit put hakin riu teli ki jaka ki bangdan haka Jingïakynad put hakawat ka baar bak sarkar Assam. Haka Jing Pynbeit put hakawat ka paningkong ka sarkar Assam bak sarkar Meghalaya ki lesoi ka saskular hau benai leber hajar puar pan penkutno ya ka Jingïakynad hakin riu teli ki jaka nagi khat teli ki badan hapreng ka Jingïakynad put. Ka Jing Pynbeit put hakawat ka baar kanlong nang banta kin riu tuli ki jaka ki bakan thop ya kalang pi ka bardua kanongwa mau tomur ka desh dumria ka block 1 but block 2 but ka pasiar khanduli.
I have carried message of goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jingïajia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and I pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border issue. Frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly. Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM. So channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting and there is no friction, and whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
How you will assure that?
Explain to you, sir. How is the Khlem?
I'll come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond. Next time. I'll definitely come.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.